friends, today we will complete pages 29 and 30 in your math workbook. So we're going to do some more work with graphs. So get your pencil and your book open to page 29 so we can start working. If Mrs. Shimmy is going too fast, just hit the pause button. So let's look at the directions on page 29. More picture graphs. Alonzo has a coin. Every time he tosses the coin, he gets heads or tails. Alonzo tosses the coin many times. This is what happens. So let's take a look here. I'm going to put an H for heads and a T for tail. So he gets heads, tail, heads, tail, heads, heads, tail, tail, heads, tail, tail, heads, tail, tail. So now count all the tosses, color a box for each toss. So let's take a look. So I need to get a thicker. I'll work with blue and I'll do that. Okay, so let's count how many heads he did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got to color 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and tails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we got to color 9 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 7 heads comes up 7 times, tails comes up 11 times. Color the side that comes up more times. So what side came up more? The tails. I'm going to color that in. Tails comes up blank more times than heads. So if we look, what is the difference between the 7 and the 11? And the 9, I'm sorry. What am I doing there? It's 9. 9 times. And we would need 2 more times of heads to have the same amount. So tails comes up 2 more times than the heads, because if you look, 1, 2, it's 2 more than the amount of tails. Don't know why I did 11. Okay, so let's move now to the next page. Every student in grade 1 has a pet. The picture shows their pets. Count the pets and complete the picture graph. Each triangle stands for one pet. So, first of all, let's take a look at the hamster. How many hamsters are there? Well, there's 1, 2, I only see 2, so I'm going to make a 2 stand here. Goldfish. Let's count the goldfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. The cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rabbits. I only see 1 rabbit and 2 birds. Now, it says a triangle stands for each pet. So I'm going to have to make a triangle in each row to represent each pet. So how many hamsters? There were 2, so I'm going to go 1, 2. Goldfish, 5. 1, 2, 3. What happened there? What happened to my picture? Oh, okay, for some reason it got moved down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cats? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many rabbits? 1 and 2 birds. 1, 2. So we had 2 hamsters, 5 goldfish, 4 dogs, 4 cats, 1 rabbit, and 2 birds. So what is the most popular pet? And that looks like the most popular pet is the goldfish, right? Because that's the one that you have the most of. So we're going to write goldfish over here. Goldfish. There are blank hamsters. How many hamsters are there? There are blank more cats than birds. So here's cats and here's birds. So how many more birds would you need to have the same amount? So if we have 4 here and 2 here, we know we would need 2 more to have the same. So the answer again is 2. There are 4 fewer blank than blank. Wow, so 4 fewer. So what number there, if you took 1 away, would give you 4? So again, goldfish. There are 4 fewer goldfish. Oh, rabbits than goldfish. So we're going to write rabbits than goldfish. Because if we were to add 4 to the rabbits, then we would have 5. But right now, there's 4 fewer rabbits than goldfish. And what number do we have the least of here? Rabbit. And the number of blank is the greatest? Goldfish. And what are their equal amounts of? What 2 animals were there the same amount? Okay, so that's it for today. If you're not finished, because I realize there's a lot of writing here, you can just hit the pause button, but otherwise you can take a picture to show your work on Seesaw. Thank